Welcome to the Contabo channel. I'm Sabina from Contabo. If you've ever wondered how to pick the right cloud storage solution for your project or business, this quick guide is for you. We'll break down the core cloud storage options, compare object storage versus block storage, and talk about what really matters when it comes to cloud storage pricing. Let's dive in. The first step is knowing your storage options. Most cloud storage falls into three categories: object storage for scalable, unstructured data, block storage for high-performance apps and databases, and file storage for collaboration tools. We'll focus on the first two. They are the most relevant when hosting your own private or business cloud. Object storage is great for things like media libraries, website backups, or large volumes of static files. It's highly scalable and you access it using web APIs, making it ideal for developers, backup systems, or file sharing platforms. With Contabo's object storage, you only pay for the space you actually use. No surprises, no complex pricing. Block storage, on the other hand, is all about speed and structure. It's like adding a high-performance hard drive to your cloud server, perfect for running databases, custom apps, or your operating system. Every Contabo VPS includes block storage by default, and you can upgrade anytime as your needs grow. What to watch for when comparing cloud storage pricing? Cost per gigabyte, data transfer, egress fees, and API call costs. Don't be fooled by low upfront numbers. Many public cloud providers charge for things like downloads, read and write requests, even API calls. Contabo offers flat, predictable pricing with no hidden fees and generous traffic included. So here's the takeaway. Go with object storage if you're managing a growing library of files or backups. Use block storage when you need raw speed for apps, databases, or virtual machines. And always look closely at cloud storage pricing, because value isn't just about storage size. Whether you're building your first cloud server or scaling up, Contabo has the right solution at the right price. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo.